My name is Rourke Baldwin. I'm the process improvement engineer at Midwest Materials. I'm responsible for making and implementing policies that will benefit our company. And Midwest Materials is known for manufacturing sheet finished steel products for customers. We were losing something like $1 million a year in downtime for lost production. So we spent 2 months evaluating different systems. And I think what came across to us right away with Limble is that we wanted something that was easy to use, but could still help us to achieve the goals. So during the course of that evaluation, we said, look, it meets everything we needed to do. It's going to give us the ability to integrate purchasing, which was not something that we had started off with. And that has been a godsend to be able to incorporate purchasing directly into our maintenance related activities. And it has really been fantastic. And I would say that more than anything has smoothed so much confusion and just expedited the process, because if there's a question about it, you're automatically getting the email notification. The updates are available in the status. The technicians aren't frustrated because they can see the status of their purchase requests directly from the work order. We're not trying to hunt down email chains back and forth. Everything is tied to the PO. It already tells us through one click on a particular part when the last time we purchased it was, what the last time that we paid for it, which vendor we got it from. So all of that information is just there at our fingertips. I mentioned that Tracy participating, so she is my counterpart on the purchasing side, and it has saved her hours per day. And I don't mean that in jest, hours every single day that she's not managing the workflow around maintenance related activities for purchasing. And I can't tell you how many times that I've submitted a purchase request and she's come back and said, hey, I looked through Limble and I found that the last time we did this work was a year ago. And the last time we also had to get these 3 or 4 other things. Do you need those? I didn't even know I needed that stuff. So just having the interconnected data between purchasing, maintenance, and management now has made everything so much smoother. Having the tools to better understand what we need, to analyze it the right way, has shortened the projects. So we're spending less time working on things. We're spending less time waiting for materials to come in so that we can even get started on the project. And I think it's just increased everyone's sense of confidence in our ability to get better, right? We're not addressing the same problems over and over and over again. It's addressing the problem and then they're going away and they're staying gone, which is great. I would say that the most important benefit that we've seen from Limble is that everybody is able to work better together as a team. Right? We have the same information. We're able to communicate more effectively, which ultimately helps us all move in the same direction. We're better as an organization and better as a team because of Limble.